What is up, YouTube? It's been a while. Yeah, been dealing with my shit again, of course. Just some health things that they can't seem to fucking do anything for me. But, oh well, enough of that. Reason you're here for the car. Had a couple requests for walkarounds and cold starts, things like that. So I'm gonna throw a video together right now of a walkaround and a cold start. Car hasn't been started in probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 days maybe. So it should be a pretty good one. Yeah, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment. What I do want to see from you guys, please, if you can, is just tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you want to see on this video, on the YouTube channel. I'm really going to try to start to get very active with this thing here, so let's start blowing it up. Let me know what you want to see. Thank you. See this, but well, I'll put the camera on the dash. You'll see when the car shakes so much. Yeah, you can't really tell. Somewhat. Anyways, bitch shakes. That's all there is to it. Sounds good. No fucking complaints in my department. Pardon my language. I gotta get used to this. Not swearing on YouTube. This is how I always drive it. Track mode. And then, obviously, no traction control, always in track mode. like I said, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. You know, this is for the people. I know there's not many 300 builds out there. Bad Hemi 300, Zach Stenstrom, a couple guys on YouTube, a couple other big ones on IG, you know, that are boosted and shit. My plan is to keep this naturally aspirated. Long tubes, callus mid, straight pipe, cam, and intake done right now. So eventually I'll be doing, you know, intake manifold, heads, do some porting and polishing, stuff like that. That's probably it. Fooled around with the idea of doing boost, but or not boost, sorry, NOS, probably skip on that. Other than that, this is it. So yeah, please enjoy the rest of what's to come, and let me know what you guys think. Have a good one.